This video is all about ceiling rows, and I will show you how to take this thing out from the ceiling. So the first thing is you need to take the screw out, from the ceiling. So this ceiling is held by the glue and the screws. So one screw is here and one screw is here. You can see the mark, and then another screw is here, holding the electric rows. But you need to be careful, you need to be really careful when you touch the electrical cables. So just make sure all this electric is isolated and there is no power on it. So I took the screw out from here, there, and from the rows, and I made sure there is no other screw around the rows. So this is out. Easy. So no damage to the ceiling and one piece rose. So no mess around the floor. Thank you.